Welcome back to Saneauto. I'm Victor Sane, and today I just wanted to tell you that every once in a while we take a departure from our car show videos or our repair videos because we have a problem with a piece of equipment or a tool, and instead of just fixing it or replacing it, we upgrade it and make it more powerful. This is one of those videos. Hey, we're going to take the weakest two-wheeler, old wore out, bent up, and make it one of the strongest two-wheelers that we have. Now you could just go ahead and pay a little extra money, get a hand truck or a two-wheeler that's stronger. Why do that when you got a cutting torch and welder? One of the reasons why this is stronger is not just because of the wheels, but because you see how the braces are made and they come further up on the handles. This one here too, the brace is quite a bit further up on the handles, about twice as far up as what these are, and that's why this one is trying to break off here and here. Now looking through the scrap pile, we do have several short pieces. We could just go from here to here, but what's the fun in that when we can make it even stronger? So I found this piece right here. Looks a little bit like a hammer. And this is some I cut off of some shelves, like these big shelves over here, because they were 13.5 feet tall in my other building. Now they're 11.5 in here. And so I'm going to use this, put it right here where it'll nestle right in here. And I've marked it down there to cut a notch so it'd come up a little bit over the axle and weld it there and set nicely in here. Just later on I might want to make a little tray right here to hold things just below the handle, and this will brace it all the way down and be even stronger than this one. First you need a metal cutting blade on the circular saw. And if you need a circular saw or a metal cutting blade, I'll put a link in the description. Then of course we're going to need the welder, which I'll also link in the description. And don't worry, this is not my big expensive welder. This is a very affordable welder. Place this scrap piece right here that I cut off, because when I bring this down here I would only have like a little weld right there, but if I put this piece here, get it just right, I can make a small gap and then weld that gap up right along here and along here, and get quite a bit of weld along here and here, fixing this to the axle. This is going to lay along here too, where I can tack weld it in a couple of places. Then I can also weld it here and on the other side. Now these spots are cracked and broken, so we're going to toughen them up too. We're going to take some angle iron, put it in here, and weld that in place. please like, subscribe, comment, share, put your questions down below, whatever floats your boat. Remember, if you do anything in these videos, be prepared to be burnt, bruised, and bleeding just like me. We'll see you next week. Get off the couch. Get dirty.